Did you know you can browse the internet for free without data, Wi-Fi or mobile charges? Sounds impossible, right? But today, I'm going to show you how it's done. In this video, I'll reveal a little known trick that allows you to access the internet without spending a dime on data using a VPN. Whether you are out of data or simply looking to save money, this method can keep you connected. But before we start, I'll explain some of the risks you should be aware of. A few months ago, I found myself stranded without data during an emergency. No Wi-Fi, no mobile internet, nothing. That's when I discovered this method. Ever since, it's been a game changer, and today I'm sharing it with you. It's called both UDP. But please wait, don't just go and download it. Please take your time and listen before you download it. So let's open both UDP. Okay, so when you open it like this, there is add time here. Okay, so you first choose your country and then the server. So we have Ghana, we have Nigeria. Okay, so I'll go right away and select the server. Okay, so I'll choose 200 megabytes daily for the purpose of this video. Okay, so let's go, and then you click on start. Remember, if you haven't added time, you have to do so. Okay, so that you have more time to browse the internet. Okay, so now that it has connected, let's go to YouTube and check to see if it's really working. So can you see that YouTube is working perfectly? Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about, guys. Thank you for watching this video.